Meaning of gracefully.
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 Gracefully. Gracefully is an adverb that means doing something in a smooth, elegant, and dignified way. When you perform an action gracefully, you do it with poise and finesse, making it look effortless and natural. For example, a dancer who moves gracefully across the stage draws the audience's attention with their fluid and controlled movements. In contrast, if someone performs an action clumsily or awkwardly, it can be jarring and unappealing to watch. Overall, performing actions gracefully requires skill, practice, and a sense of composure, resulting in a visually captivating and impressive performance.